How to copy image from Google to PPT. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will learn how we can copy image from Google to PowerPoint file or PPT file. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Google and you have to browse for your preferred images. Go with the images, and once you have your preferred images that you want to add in your PPT file, right click on that image. There you have an option to copy the image. All you have to do is copy this image. Once you have copied your image, now you have to open up your PPT file. Here you have to open up your PPT file where you want to add the images on. After that, place your cursor into that point where you want to add your images. After that, once you have your cursor, right click on it and you have this paste option, so you have to paste it. Now the image is pasted from Google to your PPT. Now you can move this image wherever you like in your interface. So that's how you can copy images from Google to PPT file. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.